This is my presentation for TED Ed. It's about water, but more specifically, like how our water gets to our homes and things like that. So, like, what do these two things have in common? A toilet and a sink. The thing is, they both get the same water. Like, the toilet water is the same as the sink water, although the toilet water is obviously dirtier, right? They both come from the same place. They both use tap water. The water in the toilet bowl obviously is dirtier. Although there's a process where water is clean before it gets to our house. And I show this in the next slide. So basically, water gets treated before it comes to our homes. You get water from nature, they clean it, they remove dirt, right? They filter out other particles, they add anti-corrosion agents for lead in the water, which is a problem. You know, other parts of the U.S. They add chlorine. Some places they add fluoride too, like in New York. And then here's like a simpler picture of it, right? And this obviously is not representative of all houses, but you get the point. It's like water that flows from mountains, water from oceans and places like that. They go into plants. The plants do like this process where they filter out harmful stuff in the water, they clean it, they add chlorine and fluoride, and then it gets to our houses, right? And I even wanted to show you, like, look at these pipes. Like, you can see here, there's a water valve for even the toilet. There's a water valve that brings in the water from the drain. And then we have here this sink valve where it brings in water from the water system below the house, like over here. See the water supply system. They even clean it out so that the water is clean. So that's basically my presentation about how water gets to our homes and how, like, you might not think that these a toilet and a sink would use the same water, but they do. And the water that they both use is like very clean because it's been um, like cleaned by a water treatment facility.